Hi, in this video we're going to show you an easy way to find the compressed files and folders in a specific directory on your computer. So let's say you have a bunch of compressed files or folders and you're not sure where they are. So you can, of course, go look for the compressed icon, which is this little double blue arrow right there. You can see it on the folder, you can see one right there, but it's kind of hard to see exactly which ones are compressed. Plus, if you have them in subfolders, then you're going to have to go through all those to find them. All right, so what we're going to do is run a simple command. So the command is compact/s, and then here you want to put the path to the folder you want to scan, and it'll scan the subfolders. And then here you want to put in the path to where you want the report to be placed. So I'm going to put it on the desktop, and then the report name, text file, so compressed file list text. So we just need to open a command prompt. So it doesn't even need to be an administrator command prompt. All right, then we'll copy this, paste it in, press enter. It won't say anything afterwards, but it placed the file here. So now we just open this. Okay, so now you can see the items with the C are compressed. So these files here, then also this folder, you can see it's a folder because it doesn't show a size here. All right, then we scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, so this class spreadsheets folder, new files added to this directory will not be compressed because it's not a compressed folder. And you can see here, new files added to this directory will be compressed because it's a compressed folder, and even though it's within a non-compressed folder, class spreadsheets, the old files subfolder is compressed, so it tells you that. And it tells you what files are in there and that they're also compressed. And then we can see the confidential files folder is also compressed because it says new files added to this directory will be compressed, and then you have the little C for each one anyways. Same for this client files folder because it's a subfolder of this, and that was set to be compressed as well. Scan documents, and then you can see music, pictures, and videos. PDF files will not be compressed. All right, of 96 files and 10 directories, 14 are compressed, 82 are not. And then we have the compression ratio. All right, so once again, just take this command here, edit it as needed, and then you'll be able to find your compressed files and folders. So I'll put this in the description, then you can just copy it and edit it as needed, and then you'll be able to find your compressed files and folders. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.